Now tell me if you've ever done this. If you're in real estate, I guarantee that you've done this more than once. So a super good client reaches out to you, you really want to work with them, and they also seem super interested, but then you forget to follow up with them. Tell me if that's ever happened to you. And to be honest, we have lots of users at Twin that are in the real estate business, and that's one of the most common things that people ask us about. It's follow-ups and automating that process. So if you never want to miss a follow-up again and you want to stop losing money on your leads, then in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the follow-up process once and for all. And the best part is you don't even need to do anything. You literally just need to explain what I just explained into the Twin dashboard and it will do it for you. So all we're going to do is head over to Twin and say, I have 3 showings next week, Monday at 10 a.m., Wednesday at 2 p.m. and 11 a.m. And we're going to put the locations of those viewings, which are in Phoenix, Arizona. For each one, I want you to create a follow-up task 24 hours after the showing to send a thank you text to the client and add a 7-day reminder if there's no response. Add all of this to my Google Calendar, present the reminders here in the chat as well, so I know what they look like. We're literally just going to type that in, and that's as simple as it gets. So as you can see, Twin is straight away telling us that, okay, we've got it down for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're also going to do those 7-day follow-ups if there's no response, which is great. And look, now at this point, Google Calendar is asking me to authenticate. And if you've used Twin before and you've used this on other automations, it won't ask this. But in this example, I disconnected it just for the purpose of the video. So all you're going to do is literally click the button at the bottom, and that's going to connect to your Google Calendar. And by the way, unrelated, but I find it so crazy with Twin that we've got to a point with automation where you can literally just explain what you want and then it happens. Like imagine trying to do this 2 years ago. This would have been impossible and you would have been paying some automation guy $3,000 just to set this up. And for context, I'm one of those guys. So I'm the #1 ranked NAN expert on Upwork right now in the world. And even I love Twin, and I figured out that, you know, what's the point in connecting nodes and all these things when I could literally just explain what I want in plain English? It's so much easier. Okay, cool. And it's only been a few minutes and we've already got the full reminder schedule right here in the chat. So we've got the 3 showings laid out. We've got 412 Cedar Lane on Monday. We've got 788 Maple Ridge on Wednesday. And we've got 2847 Ridgemont Drive on Friday as well. And then we've also even got the 24-hour thank you text reminder set up, one for each showing, firing exactly 24 hours after. And we've also got that 7-day no response follow-up time. So Monday, May the 18th, May the 20th, and Friday the 22nd, which actually checks out if you do the maths. And the best part is this is all timed to the exact hour of the original showing. But if you wanted to change that, you could just make a variation and you could just tell it to do that. It's that simple. Now, for those of you that actually want to see this like more organized, I'm actually going to go ahead and put this in a Google Doc for you extra because I think that this will be really valuable. Now, this should be really quick. I'm going to time how long this takes. Okay, so that took less than 2 minutes to do. And we've actually got this Google Doc set up now. We've got showing follow-up reminders. Below are your scheduled reminders for those 3 upcoming showings. And it's also got the 24-hour thank you and the 7-day no response follow-up template as well. Let's actually give one of these follow-ups a read. So it says, hi, I just wanted to check in with you after your showing at 412 Cedarwood Lane last week. No pressure at all. I am happy to answer any questions, revisit details about the home, or help you explore other properties if this one didn't quite fit the bill. Would you like me to send you over a few similar options? Now, to me, I think that's a pretty decent follow-up, to be honest. And again, if they don't follow up, we can also send them another follow-up 7 days after, and that's going to be in our Google Calendar. And of course, we could set this up with like Gmeet or a CRM, or we could even set this up with things like Telegram or WhatsApp. It's up to you. The possibilities are endless with Twin. Whatever you can think about in your head, you just need to put it in plain English into Twin and we will go ahead and build it for you. By the way, you don't even need to pay for any of this. You could do about 5 to 10 of these automations just on a free account alone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever have any real estate builds that you want us to show on this YouTube channel, then please let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and build that out for you. But I'll see you in the next video.